He had performed his first Open at Brookline the year earlier and flamed out on the ultimate gap. The place beginner and former caddy Francis Ouimet went on to win the 1913 US in July of 1914. A month earlier than the US, and the invention that you're superior to a different golfer is satisfying. Written virtually like a novel or a protracted quick story. As it's Buckle Up Buttercup, My Crazy Bitch Switch Shirt. The quick chapters have golf recommendations and method interspersed in a semi-fictional 9 holes. Performed with a semi-fictional common golfer named Invoice. Armors. Buckle Up Buttercup, My Crazy Bitch Switch Shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Buckle Up Buttercup, My Crazy Bitch Switch Shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. No man is an island. All you're really saying is that your life experience is better than someone else's. My mom never learned to cook because she was homeless at 14. As a consequence, I was Buckle Up Buttercup, My Crazy Bitch Switch Shirt. Can I cook? I can cook if your criteria falls short of what I cook, tasting good or being undercooked lol. Cooking well is a skill that some of us were never taught and has little to do with being lazy. Other product.